Hey Glampers, since we're in the middle of RV show season, Joni and I wanted to share our pros and cons of why you would want to go to an RV show.
All right, the first pro is the variety of options. I could totally do this.
All right, the first con, there are overwhelming options.
The next pro is exclusive deals and discounts.
Another con is limited or no test drives. Another con is sometimes be crowded and busy.
One nice thing about being in an RV show is that you get hands-on experience. If you come to an RV show, you get expert advice.
All right, so another con of coming to an RV show is there is some pressure to buy an RV. Alright, so another con for being at an RV show is, unlike this Newmar Ventana behind me, you won't be able to customize the rig that you buy here.
All right, so another pro to coming to an RV show is network opportunity. You get to come here, meet some folks, meet some YouTube channels perhaps, or just meet your next door neighbor.
Whether you're serious about buying an RV or just need to find something to do for the weekend, an RV show is the place to enjoy yourself and do all of your research for your next purchase. Happy hunting and happy glamping.